so now I've got all my pieces of paper cut. And you'll notice I decided to go ahead and cut them in half just because I was noticing that it was going to make a really huge box. So what I did is I measured one, only one. I measured it lengthwise, and it was about 12 inches long. So I measured up to 6 inches, made a little mark, and then I put all the pieces together and then I just cut in half. Now if your scissors can't cut through all that paper, just do it in stages. So you can have the same size. Okay, so you want to start with your scraps of paper. You want to have them on hand. You want to get 1 and 2 ready. Now, you can do this with Elmer's glue if you'd rather not use a hot glue gun, but it's going to dry so much faster and be a lot more sturdy if you use a glue gun. So you want to get one, and you want to glue one right up underneath the corner of another one. Okay? And you're just going to go around till you make a square. And you want to make sure it's corner to corner. That's right. Now the way you do this is when you get your next sheets of paper, you want to keep making sure that the next corner is always on top of the newest piece of paper. Okay? And this is just a pattern thing. If you don't want to do that, it's completely fine. The way you design this is completely up to you. I'm still just gluing pieces of paper corner to corner. Okay? So you have a little square. And you can decide which colors you want, you know. They don't have to be my colors. They can all be the same. You can do a rainbow effect. However you want to do this. Now the fourth one, this is why you're putting others on top of each other. That way it kind of looks like a continuous little corner. So I'm gonna put this one on the last one right on top of the other one, just so it has this interesting effect where it looks like they're all on top of each other. Okay. All right. So now you have a top. So now we need to make the sides. So I'm going to get another sheet of paper. And you're going to want to glue it standing up inside the corners. Okay? And you want to glue this side corner and this side corner both up inside the corners. Okay, this is going to give your box more stability. And you can lay this down. Probably be a good idea. Just so that you're not having to hold up a bunch of paper. Okay. I'm just going to keep doing that all the way around. Now you can cover up all the insides of the corner, or you can do something really creative and put one side inside and one side outside. That'd be really interesting. But since I didn't do that over here, I want it to match, so I'm just going to go ahead and put it on inside. But it's up to you. Still gluing my pieces of paper. This is another reason hot glue is a lot better, because you can just leave this standing up and not wait for the glue to dry. Okay. So now I have what kind of looks like a house, but it's starting to look like a box. So now you're going to do the same thing that you did right here, where you made the one side on the bottom. Now you're going to make a top. And I'm still weaving a little bit, going inside and outside. Okay. I'll pause this for 1 second.